Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the engine air filter on your Honda Civics models 2016 through 2021. The first thing you need to do is pop the hood. So go to your driver's side, and on the bottom left you will see this thing. Pull this and you should be able to pop the hood on your Civic 2016 through 2021. Next up, once you've popped the hood, right in front of the battery, you will see this box, or you have this air hose which is connecting to the engine. This is where your engine air filter is. So you have 4 screws which you need to remove. Either you can use an 8 mm or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. So the 4 screws which you need to remove are over here. This is the first one, then this here is the second one, the third one is over here, and the fourth one is back here, right here. These are the 4 screws which you need to remove. So let us go ahead and remove these one by one. Now, once you have loosened the screws, important point to note over here is that these screws do not come out fully. So here it is. If I try to pull this out, it is not coming out. The whole box is moving, and that in fact is pretty good news. So make sure you have loosened all the 4 screws, and then all you need to do is lift this guy up. It is flexible enough. The hose here on the back, which is supplying air to the engine on your Civic 2016 through 2021, is flexible enough. All you have to do is lift, and in here is your engine air filter. And in fact, you can always lift this and give it a little move towards the right. You can actually rest it over here, and now with one hand I can lift up this engine air filter and remove it out, and there it is. You can see this one here is not that dirty, but it is dirty, and the best part is the new one is going to fit in only one direction. So you see that on this filter over here you have this thing which is extending out more than on this side. So this one is the one which is going towards the air hose on your Civic. So let me take out the new filter, which of course I have linked in the description of this video. And here it is, peeps. This is our brand new engine air filter for the Civic 2016 through 2021. This is the side which has the longer plastic part, and this is the one which is going to go towards the side which has your air hose, which is taking air to the engine on your Civic 2016 through 2021. If you have any dust, any debris in here, make sure you clean that as well. And now all I need to do is take this new engine air filter, slide it into place, and there it is. You can see that the engine air filter is seated in its compartment, and then take this plastic box, try to line it up with the engine air filter, and then this one should also snap into place easily. So let us give that a try. You might have to wiggle it a little. There it is. Everything seems to have lined up pretty good. Next up, go ahead and tighten these 4 screws. Do not over tighten them, just hand tighten them, and you should be good to go. And there it is, peeps. That is how you change the engine air filter on your Honda Civics model 2016 through 2021.